Welcome to AARO Academy, and welcome to an introduction to our IFRS 8 training, designed to master the art of segment reporting. This is your gateway to becoming an expert in financial transparency and strategic decision-making, brought to you by AARO Academy. Our training goes beyond the basics of IFRS 8. It's an immersive journey into understanding and applying segment reporting in real-world scenarios. By joining, you'll unlock the full potential of financial disclosures, ensuring your organization stands out for its transparency and compliance. Dive deep into the core principles of IFRS 8. Learn how to effectively disclose information that highlights the economic environments and the activities your entity operates within. We'll show you how these disclosures can influence investor decisions and strategic business moves. Identifying operating segments can be challenging. Our training simplifies this process, teaching you how to recognize and report segments in alignment with IFRS 8. Understand the criteria for segment reporting and how to apply them to your entity's specific context. We'll guide you through advanced techniques for disclosing segment information. From profit and loss to assets and liabilities of each segment, you'll learn how to present data that's both compliant and strategically beneficial for your entity. In our training, theory meets practice through real-life case studies and practical application exercises. You'll experience in firsthand the impact of IFRS 8 on financial reporting. This hands-on approach ensures you can apply what you've learned immediately. Our training is not just about learning, it's also about connecting. Join a community of like-minded professionals and experts in IFRS. Benefit from ongoing support and guidance as you navigate the complexities of segment reporting. Are you ready to elevate your skills? Visit the AARO Academy training portal today to secure your spot in our upcoming training session. Don't miss this opportunity to transform your career and your organization's financial transparency. For deeper insights and continued learning, AARO Academy offers a range of resources. Visit our website for expert-led webinars and interactive workshops tailored to help you navigate these changes effectively. Thank you for joining AARO Academy. We value your support and would like to invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more insightful content and updates. Don't forget to visit the AARO Academy website as well, where you can find additional resources and information.